Good morning class 5. Welcome to your science online class. We were doing weight, volume and density, and we have learned about Archimedes principle, and we have seen that upthrust and two things we have seen that the upthrust and displacement, these two main point of Archimedes principle. Upthrust means when you are putting something down with a force, opposite force you will feel from the opposite side, and which is allowing the particular objects which is light in density than the water to bring it back. The opposite force which is coming from the opposite side is known as upthrust. And displacement means when you are sinking, when you are drowning something, when you are putting something down, either it is floating or sinking, the volume of the particular object, the same volume water is also displaced from the particular container of the amount of water. The volume is the same volume is displaced by the object which is under the water. So we have seen that he found that upthrust is equal to the weight of the water displaced by an object. This is known as Archimedes principle. Suppose a brick and a piece of wood, both of volume 1 liter. So as I have told you that what is the volume of the particular object is equal to its upthrust and is equal to the displacement of the amount of water when it is sinking inside the water. So if I take one piece of brick and a piece of wood, both volume is 1 liter, are immersed completely in water. Okay, so both are down under the, both are immersed means both are sink inside. We have make it sink. The piece of brick, I have made the brick as already drowned, and the piece of wood with the force we have make it drown inside the water. The brick weighs 2 kg. Now the brick is 2 kg and the wood weight is 0.08 kg. Okay, so both will displace the same volume of water because the volume of both are same 1 liter. So 1 liter of water will be displaced. Volume is same. These two are, this and this is weight, isn't it? So maybe the weight is different. The volume is same, that is 1 liter. So hence both displace the same weight of water, that is 1 kg, because both are the volume is 1 kg, 1 liter, and when they are immersed in the water, both will displace the same amount of water, though the weight of the two are different from one to the other. So by Archimedes principle, the upthrust on both will be the same because the upthrust is equal to the volume we have learned. So volume and upthrust is same, and the amount of upthrust and displacement of water according to Archimedes principle is same. So when two different objects of two different weight, they are being immersed in water, they are being put inside the water, the same amount of water will be displaced because the volume of both are same, that is 1 liter. So by Archimedes principle, the upthrust on both will be the same, that is equal to the weight of 1 kg. So why 1 kg? Because brick and wood volume is 1 liter. So we have learned that the amount of volume they have, the upthrust, amount of upthrust will be the same and the volume of displacement will be the same. Though two are of different weight, but volume wise as they are same, they will displace the same amount of water. In case of brick, please see, again I will rub the board once, please wait. In case of brick, weight is 2 kg. See, it is written in the book also. Weight is 1 kg and, sorry, I'm extremely sorry, weight is 2 kg and the upthrust is 1 kg. Upthrust is 1 kg and thus the brick will sink because the amount of displacement is more, because the upthrust is less, isn't it? So in case of brick it will sink. In case of, so weight over here, weight is more than upthrust. So when the weight is more than upthrust, then the brick will sink. Again, in case of wood, what is happening? The weight is 0.08 kg, which is less than upthrust. Upthrust is 1 kg, and that's why the wood will float. So that is the main principle, that if the weight is more than upthrust, it will sink. If the weight is less than upthrust, it will float. So the rule for floating and sinking according to Archimedes' principle are: if the weight of an object is more than upthrust, it will sink. If the upthrust is more than the weight of the object, it will float. So it is easy to understand. As the 2 to 3 things you have to keep it in mind, that first of all, the volume, what is the volume of the particular object? The upthrust inside the water will be the same, and the displacement of water will be also the same. Now it does not depend on the weight, either it will whether it is mainly dependent on the volume, that what is the volume of the particular object. Now in case of a brick, as the brick weighs 2 kg, which is less than the upthrust, so the upthrust cannot carry the object. It does not have the strength to push it back upward. That's why it is sinking. And just the opposite is happening in case of piece of wood or a piece of thermocol. The upthrust, the weight here it is given 0.0 kg, so it is less than 1 kg. The volume, as both the volumes are 1 kg or 1 liter, thus what is happening? The upthrust is more, isn't it? And that's why it is floating. In the next class we will start the remaining part. I think we will be able to finish the remaining part, and we will continue with why does a ship float? Being a big one, a huge one, it's a great volume, why it usually float? What is the reason behind it? Thank you very much. Read properly. I think you will understand it very easy.